How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. If you use Prime Video, you must have an Amazon account already. Forget all those complicated steps you might have seen in other videos. We're going straight to the main hub, Amazon.com. This is where you need to be to change your country settings. Once you're logged in, find the Content and Devices section. It's usually in the menu or under your account settings. Within the Content and Devices section, you'll see Preferences. Click on that. Now, look for the option that says Country/Region Settings and click on it. Take a quick look to see what country your account is currently set to. It'll be listed there. If you need to switch countries, hit the Change button. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the country you want to switch to. Amazon needs to know your new address in the country you're switching to, so fill out the required fields. Once you've filled out your address details, click Update. This will finalize the changes and update your country setting. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you change your country on Amazon Prime Video smoothly. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy streaming.